Acne Nation. I hope you guys are doing great. So today's video is how to start a detox. So a lot of you have been wondering, what do I do here? You're talking about detox, but I have no idea how to even start. So this video is for you guys, and for a lot of my subscribers, you already may be, you may already be diving into detox for a long time now. So just bear with me while we just talk a little bit about detox. So detox, why would you even want to do a detox? For a lot of people, it's for health reasons. So for me, with my skin cancer, ovarian cysts, I'm using detox as a way to eliminate these cysts, eliminate these health problems. And so yeah, for many of us, it's health problems. For some of us, it may be weight loss. Automatically, when you go on a detox program, you're going to just be like shedding a lot of this waste, a lot of, some of these cysts, like what I was carrying. You just, naturally the body will just want to start eliminating and expelling what it doesn't need. And others may be actually for their athletic performance, because when you are carrying this excess weight or you have these health problems, it's actually slowing you down on an athletic level. And for me with detox, I noticed, you guys, it's improved my athletic performance so much because I feel so much lighter. And we're talking about cycling, we're talking about how can we be easy on the joints, how can we have really, really good blood flow, lymphatic flow, and this is about really moving the lymphatic system. So first is just figuring out, why do you even want to do a detox? Is it because of your health? Do you maybe want to lose some weight, or just maybe enhance your performance? What is your goal? Because that will determine how long you may need to detox for. For me, with ovarian cysts, ovarian cysts, skin cancer, a lot of my genetic weaknesses are on my kidneys, adrenal glands. I'm most likely going to be doing detox. We're going to be doing detox throughout my entire life. And I will be building up and then doing detox, building up detox. It's a little bit of like a balance, and doing what feels natural, what feels right to me. And so yeah, I'm going to be doing detoxes throughout my entire life. I feel so good on them, and it's just, yeah, really part of my lifestyle now. So some people may say, well, how do I even start a detox? Okay, so for me, for some people, detoxes can be doing like a dry fast. Some people do water fast. I really love the fruit fast because it's fairly gentle and you can do it at home. You don't need to be supervised by, a doctor. You can eat as much fruit as you like. Unless you have serious health problems, then I would suggest, speaking with a healthcare provider. If they know anything about it, most doctors will not know about detox. So I find fruit is fairly gentle. You can do it at home. And what you would need, for our grocery list, is you really just want to load up on healthy foods. So some of the best are the alkaline foods. Now that's going to be your grapes. If you can find whole grapes. Right now, I got some lovely grape juice. So that's super alkaline on the body and really gets your digestive system moving, gets things eliminated out of the body. So whole grapes. I love melons, so things like watermelon, highly alkaline. If you can find ripe cantaloupe or papayas or honeydew melons, those are great too. But I love watermelon in particular because I juice it with some lemon. So I'll juice a whole watermelon with lemon, and that could be easily my breakfast. Or you could just eat it as a whole mono meal. Then I do love the mangoes, just because if you still want to be able to function with day-to-day activities at work, mangoes give you that extra, they're packed with vitamins, minerals, and protein. So I love mangoes and bananas too. And bananas will come in if you're wanting to do smoothies. So we'll come back to the bananas. Oranges, I love oranges and grapefruit just for doing juices. And berries. So if you can't find, whole berries, I love frozen berries, and that you can make some smoothies with as well. So it's really just starting with putting your money towards healthy food. And I like to just do a haul at, I go to wherever I can find a cheap deal, but really some people are saying, well, this is expensive, but really, if you incorporate some dry fasting with this, it's really not that expensive. And it depends how long you want to go for too. Know that you're just putting your money towards healthy food. And the more healthy food that you have around, the less likely you're going to go out to eat out at some restaurant, which is, really deep fried or oily foods out there. So you're putting your money towards health, and that is your greatest wealth. So berries. So some things that you can do, some people may not just want to do just a fruit fast, right? So I get that. So if you want to do, a moderate fast, I would say you can do some smoothies. So do, say, spinach, banana, berry smoothie. And you can add in, say, coconut, either coconut water, coconut milk, and just start with doing some smoothies. You can also do green juices. I really like kale, cucumber, celery, and apples. That's awesome. I also love doing beet, carrot, apple. So you can play around with the green juices or the smoothies. Now nighttime is where it may become a little bit more difficult. So if you want to do, if you want to keep going and you want to really get those health issues, go after them, then you may just want to keep riding with the fruit for, for the evening, as long as you can. And, even if you're just new to this, try 7 days. If you can do 7 days just on fruit, see how you can do, see how it goes, let me know. If you can't do the fruit come the evening, if this is still new to you, then you can slow it down with, say, a salad in the evening, or steamed veggies with some wild rice. So that is a great detox program if you're just easing into it. But I do recommend, say having for breakfast whole grapes. Maybe for lunch you can do a mono meal of mangoes, or you can do a green smoothie with spinach, berries, coconut milk. I just recommend, if you're going to do the coconut milk, try to get 100% coconut. No weird ingredients. Just make sure you read all the ingredients. And then for dinner you can have a large salad, or keep riding with the fruit. So for me, I really wanted to go after those ovarian cysts. I just kept riding with the grapes, as many grapes as I wanted. If you get bored, no problem. You can switch to any of the other fruits. Say watermelon, doing watermelon juice. You can play around with it. But this is about also giving your body a chance to rest and heal. And you can incorporate some 20-hour dry fasting. See how you do. Some people have too much of detox symptoms. And you can check out my video on the healing crisis on the detox symptoms. And you can always, if you're getting too much detox symptoms with the fruit, you can slow it down with the greens. Green salads, bringing in veggies, like veggie fruits like the cucumbers, making guacamole like with the avocados. Play around with it, and remember, just keep it simple. Try not to overcomplicate things. Health is really simple. This is about just giving health to your body, and really just taking a break on your digestion. And we really are looking at the easiest foods on the body to digest. So that's going to be your fruits and your green juices and things like smoothies. That's going to be the easiest on your body to digest. Also, just doing a dry fast, because you're not consuming anything. So those are my tips. Hopefully that helps you out. It's just about first loading up on the goodies, on the health foods. So that's your fruits, vegetables, leafy greens, and just enjoy, have fun, play around with the fruits. enjoy the flavors. Let me know if you try any exotic fruits if you if you want to get into that. And yeah, let me know how it goes. If you guys have any questions, I'm always here for you. Leave them down below and I'm here to help you. So a lot more to come, and stay tuned. So, as always, be your beautiful selves, be alkaline, and we all be getting in fruit today. Cheers.